Gentlemen, my topic is India and Israel relationship. So, India has developed relationship with many countries. One such country include Israel. India and Israel had developed their diplomatic relationship in 1992. Coming to the history of this relationship, in 1949, India was not the supporter of Israel. India was not in the favor of Israel. India opposed the partition of Palestine as India is recovering its own partition wound. So, India also voted against Israel. But in 1950s, India was the only first country which has voted for the Israel to be a separate nation. So now coming to the relationship of India and Israel in defense and security cooperation. So it play one of the pillar role in defense and security cooperation. Israel has become one of the India's largest supplier in defense system. It includes advanced missile defense system, radar, and also drones. India and Israel also performed many joint exercises and international security which help to combat terrorism and border security as both of the country are facing these issues. Now coming to technology and innovations. In Israel and India relationship has played a crucial role in technology and innovation. India as one of the India is a country which faces water security. Israel's modern irrigation technology has helped India in agriculture sector by providing its technology. So India and Israel has a very good relationship in internationally. So in conclusion, if this relationship further continues, then they not only both countries benefit, but they also help their development in future also.